Hey guys, Brian Kochi, Media and Marketing Manager here at Whissel Realty Group in San Diego. Wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to add open captions to your videos. Now, open captions are the text on the video that's actually burned in, so that way when it's on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or whatever, you're always going to have the words down here. You can never turn them off. They're burned into the video. I get asked all the time how I do it. I use Adobe Premiere, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I do that. So you can use other programs. I'm not sure how to do that, but I'll show you how I use Adobe Premiere. So first thing I do is I've already uploaded the video to rev.com. This is where I get my captions from rather than actually typing it out. So I download them, download the subrip file, the .srt file, and I download it right there. I'm going to show it in the folder, and I'm just going to drag and drop it into my project. So it's imported the file. A couple things you need to do here. First, you need to go to Window and go to Captions. This will allow you to see what the captions are when you drag them on. What I do is I drag and drop this right on the video here. Now, you can see it's right here. If you can't see it on the video, click this little wrench icon and then hit Close Caption Display and hit Enable. Mine was disabled just now and it still showed it, but if you can't see it, it's there. Now you can see it's very small. I want to do a few tweaks to it, so I'm going to go over to that captions window that I just opened, and here's where I can, actually before I do that, I'm going to go to the effects control, make sure I have this selected, click on my motion and make them larger. So I'm just increasing the size of it there. So there it is. Now it's larger. You can see it throughout the whole thing. Cool. We're good. A few things that I want to show you as well real quick. For example, say Kyle said something and they spelled his name wrong, or he said analogy and it's, whatever. If you want to change something, you can do cool, right? And now in that section, wherever that is, right there, I can add it in there. I can change thing. I can add a question mark. You can do it, all sorts of changes. What I had trouble finding is how I could change, or like you can change the size of it, or you want it bigger, but that's only going to change that one item. So what I found is you can actually right click and hit select all, and then you can change the size from 20, and now it's all size 20. You can change the color, you can change the background. This adds a stroke. This is your text color, this is your background color. So if you wanted the background color red, you can do that, right? And so that's how you add captions. You can tweak it, you can do all sorts of fun stuff with it. But that's kind of the simple way to add it. One more thing you got to do is when you export it, I hit Control M to export. Make sure when you go to down here, these are your export settings, in your captions, you do burn captions into video. If you don't do that, then they won't show up on the video. So make sure you have that burn captions into video, and that should get you your video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. I will talk with you soon.